Part 8. Remote Controls. The Nova rolling code remote controls must be coded into the Nova plug-in receiver. Ensure that nobody is standing in the way of the gate when you follow this procedure, as the operator is going to run. With power connected to the controller, take one of the transmitters and press and hold one of the buttons for just longer than 5 seconds. The operator will activate when this transmitter has been coded into the system. This first transmitter becomes the master and is used for coding any additional transmitters, so please mark this transmitter clearly. To add any additional transmitters, proceed as follows. Press and hold any button on the master transmitter for slightly longer than 10 seconds. As an installation hint, if you don't have a watch available, count each second aloud from 1000. For example, 1001, 1002, up to 1011. Release the button. The receiver is now in program mode and will stay in this mode for 10 seconds. Take the next transmitter, and this is important, press and release the button you want to use to operate the gate. The receiver stays in program mode for 10 seconds after each new transmitter is added. If you have no further transmitters to add, wait 10 seconds for the receiver to drop out of program mode. Test the transmitters to make sure that the coding has been done successfully.